British pounds USD is testing a very important zone right now. In the next few minutes, I will show you the exact two levels that will decide if we go up to 1.38 or drop back to 1.35. So on my daily chart, we have the pounds USD still have this strong uptrend momentum for the bullish move. You can see we have a lower low and a higher low, then a higher low and a higher low. So let's first look at the weekly chart to know our bias for this week. On my weekly chart, you can see clearly we have this price on this resistance level. So long we have price on this resistance level, if we are to look out for buying opportunity on this resistance level, we need price to break above this resistance level, then we start looking for possible buying opportunity to the top. But so long price is still on this resistance zone, this call for a action, we have to stay aside for bullish, then wait for a clear direction for the bearish trend on the daily chart. So let's go back to our daily charts. Let's go back to our daily chart on the pounds USD. So on the pounds USD on the daily chart, we can clearly see that price is currently on this zone. This particular zone is a strong resistance zone. You can see that the first time price closed on this particular zone, you can see that price rejects back to the downside. So this is the second time price is closing on this particular zone. So this zone we decide if we go down or we go up. So what we decide this zone movement now? What we decide is the zone movement is this. If we see price close below this support level with a price action setup, we start looking for our possible selling opportunity to this next weekly level. But if we see price close above this resistance level, we might see more bullish trend for the pounds USD. So, but in the favor of the higher time frame, we need a clear of price above this resistance level. If not, we might be trapped in the bullish structure, because all we see from the chart right now is clearly bullish. All we see from the pounds USD chart right now is clearly bullish. You can see that price also close above our trend line, which is this trend line that connected three swing levels, which also indicate a break and retest, and will continue to buy. Then you can also see that we also have a series of higher low structure, which also indicates more of a bullish trend for the pounds USD. So long we have all these bullish prints of this bullish structure and bullish print of a more bullish momentum for buy. So all we need as a trader, we need a clear price above this resistance level. Then we start looking for our buying opportunity to the top. Then we also need a clear price below this level for we to start looking for our selling opportunity of price to this level, and a break of this level might trigger more bearish trend for the pounds USD to the downside. So be patient and wait for this to play out. If you find this analysis helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more trading and forex analysis. You can watch my previous weekly forex analysis at the top. See you in my next video.